Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived a special pear tree named Percival, or Percy for short. Percy was not like the other trees. He bore fruit not just once a year, but all year round. One day, a young boy named Timmy wandered into the grove where Percy stood. Timmy was new in town and had never seen a pear tree that produced fruit so consistently. He marveled at Percy's beauty and decided to take a pear home for his mother. As Timmy reached for a ripe pear, Percy spoke up, "Wait, Timmy. I have a condition. I can only be picked when you promise to share my fruit with others." Timmy was surprised, but he agreed. He took the pear and left, promising to share it with his family and friends. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Timmy kept his promise, sharing Percy's pears with everyone he met. He became known as the boy with the magical pear tree, and people came from far and wide to taste Percy's fruit. One day, a local farmer named Farmer Joe learned about Percy. He was known for his greed and had a reputation for taking more than he needed. He heard about Percy's condition and decided to test it. Under the cover of darkness, Farmer Joe sneaked into the grove and picked a whole basket of pears. He thought he had outsmarted Percy and was on his way home, feeling pleased with himself. Suddenly, a voice spoke, "Farmer Joe, I saw what you did. You broke my promise. From now on, no fruit will grow on me unless you share what you take." Farmer Joe was shocked. He had never encountered a tree like Percy before. He felt remorse for his actions and promised to share Percy's fruit with others in need. From that day forward, Percy continued to bear fruit, but only for those who promised to share it. And so, the town learned a valuable lesson about sharing and caring for others. They realized that when we share what we have, we not only help others but also ensure that we have more to share in the future. And as for Timmy, he continued to share Percy's pears, teaching others the importance of keeping promises and the joy of sharing. And Percy, he stood tall and proud, continuing to bear fruit for all to enjoy, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and the beauty of a promise kept.